Welcome back to Era Explorers, where we dive deep into the pivotal events that shaped our world. Today, we're unraveling the fascinating story of the Industrial Revolution, an era that transformed economies, societies, and the very fabric of everyday life. The Industrial Revolution was a remarkable period of technological advancement that began in the late 18th century and continued into the 19th century. It marked the transition from hand production methods to machines, leading to unprecedented industrial growth. Late 1700 to mid-1800 inched the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution was Great Britain. Factors such as abundant natural resources, political stability, and a favorable business climate set the stage for innovation. Key locations like Manchester and Birmingham became the heart of this industrial upheaval. Let's explore some of the key inventions that fueled the Industrial Revolution. The steam engine, invented by James Watt. The steam engine revolutionized transportation and manufacturing by powering locomotives and ships. The spinning jenny asterisk. Developed by James Hargreaves, this multi-spindle spinning frame enabled the mass production of yarn, transforming the textile industry. The power loom asterisk, invented by Edmund Cartwright, it automated the weaving process, significantly increasing cloth production efficiency. The Industrial Revolution dramatically altered social structures. It spurred urbanization as people moved from rural areas to cities in search of jobs. This shift led to both opportunities and challenges. Working conditions. Many workers faced harsh conditions, including long hours and unsafe environments. Child labor became prevalent, with children working in hazardous conditions, leading to public outcry and eventual reforms. This era also marked a shift in economic practices from agrarian economies to capitalism. Factories fueled mass production, and the rise of markets increased international trade. Innovations in banking and finance facilitated investments in industrial endeavors. The influence of the Industrial Revolution was not confined to Britain. It gradually spread to other parts of Europe, North America, and even Asia. Each region adapted these innovations, propelling global economic interdependence. The legacy of the Industrial Revolution continues to impact our lives today. The technological advancements laid the foundation for contemporary industrial practices and our modern economy, shaping our current lifestyles and the global landscape. The Industrial Revolution was a complex and transformative era that redefined how societies function and how economies operate. Its innovations laid the groundwork for the technological advances we enjoy today. What do you think was the most important aspect of the Industrial Revolution? Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more explorations into the eras that shaped our world. Share your thoughts and comments below. What topic should we cover next?